Hey, how you doing? I just want to talk about there's a man named Russ Dizdar, and he's a pastor of a church, and he's talking about how the armies of the world are using satanic super soldier program in America where he is and that, and he calls them satanic super soldiers and that, and he's they're using soldiers and they're indoctrinating people into Satanism and that in the army, in the military and that. And they're using black magic and all types of rituals and things. And they're creating satanic super soldiers. And in the soldiers that they're programming to be super soldiers, they're like doing MK Ultra on them and things like that, and creating like split personalities and all types of other personality psyches inside of them, multiple personalities, and they carry out all their orders and things like that. And he was saying things like one person got kicked out of the army for saying grace at the table, and he couldn't even say grace at the table, and like he left the army and things like that. And it was just out of control how in his unit, that they were all satanic and things like that. And it was a massive satanic program that he was under. And, they're using black magic and all types of technology and things in the military program and all that, what they've got running. And his name is Russ Dizdar. He's a pastor in America and things. So if you look him up, it's called Rise of the Satanic Super Soldiers. It's a Russ Dizdar, Rise of the Satanic Super Soldiers. And, he believes that they're creating super soldiers that are satanic. And they're all brainwashed with MK Ultra, V2K, and they've got all these multiple personalities and things like that. And these people suffer from PTSD. They're all traumatized soldiers and things like that are all real mentally disturbed and messed up due to the satanic super soldier programs that they had running in their organization and that in their unit. And just look up Russ Dizdar's Rise of the Satanic Super Soldier. And, that's how they're programming people in the world today and that. And with that being said, take care.